Since electric fields, electric charges, and electric forces are probably new to most people, I'm going to go through a lot of different scenarios just conceptually first, and then later we'll come back, look at the same scenarios again, but this time using mathematical models. So you'll see for right now we have no mathematical models along the side here. We're just going to talk conceptually. So first, electric field lines. Imagine nothing exists in the whole universe except for one negative charge. Now, electric field lines, we have a set of rules for how we can draw them. Field lines can start on a positive charge, or they can start at infinity. They can end at a negative charge or at infinity. The number entering or leaving a charge is proportional to the charge's magnitude. So if I made this negative charge twice as big, it would have twice as many field lines associated with it. And the field lines should be as smooth as possible. They can only make sudden turns when the field is very close to zero. Alright, so can we try to draw things from this? They start at plus or infinity. This is a minus. That means no field lines can start here. So that means they have to start at infinity and they can end at the negative charge. So there'll be arrows that point toward this charge. I can't really start at infinity, but I can start at the edge of the page. The smoothest way I can get from the edge of the page to here is to just draw a straight line. So there is one field line associated with this charge. Generally with field lines, you want to get an idea of what's going on all around. So you just draw a number of field lines proportional to whatever this charge is. I'll draw, 5 or 6 of them here. There we go. Those are what the electric field lines would look like for a negative charge. Now, question, what's the force on this charge? The best thing to do is to think about Newton's laws. One of Newton's laws says that for every action there's an equal and opposite reaction. Right? So for every force there's an equal and opposite force. So if there's a force on this negative charge, it has to be coming from something else that will feel the same amount of force in the opposite direction. But there's nothing else in the universe except for this one charge. So it can't feel any net force. So what is the force on the charge? 0. What if the charge is positive? We can start at positive or infinity, so we'll be able to start at positive this time. We can end at minus or infinity. So this time the arrows will look exactly the same, but they'll start at the plus and end out here. So that's what the electric field looks like for a single positive charge. What's the force on the charge? Same as before. Nothing exists in the universe except for this one positive charge, so there can't be any force on it.